shotgun cheer, rage in the chest, calm in the hands, soft slow roll, but the whole world bends. Full soul choir in a minor key. Every ghost got a seat with me. If hell got lanes, I pay my own. Chrome plated sins, heart overflow. Deadbolt racing, lock it down, don't play. Heavy bass crawling through my rib cage. Deadbolt racing, slow swing, cold rage. I don't break for fear, I accelerate pain. Deadbolt racing, hear the chains engage. Engine growl, preaching a funeral page. Bass drop low like a coffin lid. Swing so dirty, make the angels scared. Punk jaw bite with a blues rock moan. Grave will throw truth in a monotone. Digital spit in an analog storm. Old soul heat in a deadbolt form. I don't run light, I burn it red. Every green mile, here's what I say. Deadbolt rising, lock it down, don't play. Heavy bass crawling through my rib cage. Deadbolt rising, slow swing, cold rage. I don't break for fear, I accelerate pain. Deadbolt rising, hear the chains engage. Engine growl, preaching a funeral page. Funeral kick with a reggae sway. Death beat bounce in the midnight gray. Mothers cry low like a jazz bar fight. Neon sins in the southern night. Oil slick faith, gasoline grin. I'll baptize steel in the fire within. If I stall, it's to scare the crowd. Then I punch that face and I say it loud. Deadbolt racing, lock it down, don't play. Heavy bass crawling through my rib cage. Deadbolt racing, slow swing, cold rage. I don't break for fear, I accelerate pain. Deadbolt racing, hear the chains engage. Engine growl, preaching a funeral page. Rednecks off with the purple chords. Human sins cut through metal words. Auto-tune growl with a third row snarl. Hardwired heart in a soft slow swirl. I've seen saints fold and demons kneel. Only truth I trust is